The African Grey Parrot is one of the most intelligent birds in the world, known for its exceptional ability to mimic human speech and sounds. Native to the forests of West and Central Africa, these parrots are highly social and bond closely with their flock or human companions. Their intelligence rivals that of a young child, with problem-solving skills and the ability to learn hundreds of words. African Greys are also excellent imitators of noises, from doorbells to phone ringtones. Unfortunately, they are endangered due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Conservation is crucial to protect these amazing birds.